You are going to love this healthy version of Snickers. You won't believe how delicious it is. Okay, Snickers, of course, is nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate. We are making a healthy version, so we're going to use these medjool dates as our nougat. If you haven't had them, they are sweet, they are soft, they are just delicious, and they are nougaty, except they are a superfood full of all kinds of fiber and antioxidants and all kinds of good stuff for you. So you're going to cut the medjool dates in half like I'm doing, but not all the way. You're going to want to create like a little pocket where our next ingredient is going to go, and they should look like this. They look kind of scary, but that's what they should look like. Next, of course, you're going to add peanut butter. Rather than do caramel and peanuts, we're going to add about a teaspoon of peanut butter right into that little medjool date pocket we created. So now we have the nougat part, we have the sweet, yummy peanut part. I should mention that we are using natural peanut butter so that it's drippy, so peanuts are the only ingredients. And of course, there was just a little please subscribe note, and if you like easy, healthy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I would love to stay connected with you. So you're going to now add the chocolate. Now I put probably about, I don't know, what is that? A tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of chocolate. You're going to want to melt that. That's probably a lot for 2 that I made, but you're going to want to melt that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You could also melt it on the stove. That would probably be a healthier solution, but I wanted fast, so I chose the microwave. And now you have a very difficult decision with your chocolate. Do you drizzle the chocolate like I did here, which is wonderful, or you could even up level it and you could take them and just dunk the whole things in chocolate. I've done both. They're both delicious. I highly recommend both. I want to add that you are not limited to peanut butter. You can also make this, you could substitute the peanut butter for almond butter. You could substitute it for sunflower butter. You could even substitute it for tahini, which adds a very different flavor. All of it is delicious. Once you make these once, you're going to say, wow, these are so easy, so delicious. As for toppings, you could put peanuts on top, you could put flaky sea salt on top. It's all good. Another little subscribe reminder, please do if you like healthy, easy, skinny recipes. Now, these babies you could also put in the refrigerator if you're someone who prefers your Snickers cold. You could also keep them there for about 30 minutes. You could keep them there for a few weeks, but I promise you they won't last. For more 1-minute chocolate recipes, check out this chocolate mug cake recipe video. You're going to love it.